What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Jel, and I'm about to open this package that I got from OTP Fashion. I already opened it. I ain't even gonna lie, but I'm gonna do this unboxing for you guys. Let me try to get it out of the package. There we go. I got it out. Now, this is what it looks like. It's a two-piece outfit. And I know my video's not good right now because I'm recording with my phone and I have to hold it. I don't have a stand or anything for it. So, okay. Here's the bottoms to it. This is what they look like. It's called Bite Me from OTP Fashion. And here's the top to it. It's like a crop top. But if you want to see me with this outfit on, follow me on Instagram. And I will have pictures of it on Instagram because you can't really see it in this video. So to see more, follow me on my Instagram, which I'm going to link below.